Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Atena. I'm Atena, and today's lesson we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English pronunciation. Specifically, we're going to focus on two consonant sounds, the sh and zh sounds. Can you feel the air passing through your mouth as you pronounce them? Get ready to improve your pronunciation and impress everyone with your newfound skills. These two sounds are paired together because they use the same mouth position. Let's start by understanding the mouth position for these sounds. The sh sound is unvoiced, which means that only air passes through the mouth. It's pronounced a little bit further back on the tongue, not at the blade. Look at the diagram. The tongue gently touches the alveolar ridge, allowing air to pass through. Repeat with me. Shh, shh, shh. Now let's move on to the zh sound. It's voiced, which means you make the sound with your vocal cords. In both cases, the teeth come together, the corners of the lips come in, and the lips flare. The tongue lifts with the front middle part close to the roof of the mouth but not touching it. The tip of the tongue points forward without touching anything. Let's practice together. Zh, zh, zh. The sound sh is usually spelled with the letter sh in words like shy, bash, and wash. It can also be spelled with ti or ci, as in national, education, official, and special. The zh sound is usually spelled with su in words like measure and usual, but it can also be spelled with si, as in vision and decision. It's important to note that English words rarely begin or end with the zh sound, but you can find it in the middle of words like conclusion and pleasure. I hope this lesson has helped you understand and practice the sh and zh sounds. Let's put your sh and zh pronunciation skills to the test. Find two words that contain these sounds and share them in the comments below. Keep practicing and you'll soon master these essential pronunciation skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more language lessons. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep improving your English pronunciation and have a great day.